Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. And today I'm going to give you some tips on applying mascara. And one of the first tips with applying mascara, with our Lemongrass mascara, is to make sure that you curl your eyelashes. And maybe not everyone has to do this, but I know for me it really does help to pop my eyes so much when I curl my eyelashes first. So I'm gonna go in with this curler and show you guys how I do that. It's really simple once you get the hang of it, but I will say if you've never curled your eyelashes before, it might be a challenge. Just go really easily right at first and don't press too hard because you don't wanna pinch your skin. So once you're sure that there's no skin in there, go ahead and press that together, leave it for a few seconds, and then take it off. And do you see the difference between this eye and that eye? It's crazy. All right, same thing on the other side. Just go ahead and curl that nicely. One thing that I want to encourage you guys to do is use a setting powder before you use our mascara. And the reason why is because our mascara is not waterproof. And a lot of people are scared of that. They're like, oh, I don't want my mascara to run. Can I just tell you that my mascara does not run when I use this trick. And I also, I have cried in my mascara before, and as long as I don't rub my eyes, it does not smear for me, which is really crazy. But I absolutely love it. Our mascara is colored with coffee and rice extracts. It does not have the drying alcohol in it. So also that's another thing to note is that, by the way, this is what I'm doing. I'm putting my pink veil on with my blush brush here. That's another thing to note is that this mascara will dry slightly slower than other mascaras, which is not a bad thing because like I said, again, it doesn't have that harsh alcohol in it. But if you do want to do two coats, you're going to have to wait a little bit to apply the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and take my mascara in brown and I'm going to go ahead and apply. I absolutely love this mascara. It helps to lengthen and strengthen, and it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. One tip when you're applying mascara is wiggle it up from the baseline, and then also if you can pull your lashes opposite of the way that they grow, it really helps to make sure that you're coating all of the hairs evenly. And then at the end, you can go ahead and fan them out, if that makes sense. But going the opposite direction really, really helps to give them body and volume and just coats them in a really, really nice way. All right, so you can choose to just do the top of your lashes if you prefer, if you're looking for a more natural look. And that's totally fine. I'm gonna show you the difference between one eye doing just the top and then doing the other one with both of them coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and get more. A quick tip with mascara, any mascara, is that you're gonna wanna replace it every 3 months. And the reason for doing that is because you're constantly pumping air and bacteria into your mascara tube, and you're putting it on the most sensitive part of your face, which is your eye area. And you wanna make sure that you're replacing that every 3 months so that you are not introducing that bacteria to your eyes and causing irritation and different things like that. I know once my eyes start to feel irritated by the end of the day that it's time to replace my mascara tube. Doesn't mean that the mascara that you're using is necessarily bad, it's just time to replace it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how it looks to do the bottom one for this one. All right, so that's the different look between the two eyes. This one has both lashes done. This one is only the top, so you can kind of take your pick and see which one that you prefer. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day.